Welcome to Mimi Daily English. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Morning brings a brand new day of fun at the community pool.
Dad, I'm super ready to swim.
Yes, you are, buddy.
I brought cold drinks in this ice box. We can drink them when we rest.
We can drink when we rest.
Wow! I want to jump in now.
Not yet, buddy. Warm up first.
Oh, but I'm ready.
Hey, you're doing well, Leo. Your arms are strong.
And your kicks look better.
All right, first lesson is done. Let's go home.
Welcome back. Breakfast is almost ready, and Mimi helped me a lot.
Yes.
Whew. Dad, why is this box so heavy today?
I feel it normally.
Let me see what you put inside. What is a strange thing inside?
Oh my goodness! Is that a baby seal inside our ice box?
Hey, buddy. It's okay. We won't scare you.
Wow, he feels comfortable and safe with us, right?
It has a circus mark on its collar. Maybe we should take it back to the circus.
I think it's afraid of that place.
We won't send you back there. Please stop.
Are you hungry, little seal?
Oh, maybe he really wants to eat now.
Look, buddy. I have fish for you. It feels better with us now. I think it was really hungry.
Let's make a small swimming pool.
Good idea. It needs water and calm.
Come on!
Come on, let's play together.
Don't worry. This pool is for you.
Wow. That is amazing, little star. Woohoo!
Maybe this was your circus trick before.
Maybe it's really scared of the circus and doesn't want to go back to it.
Then what should we do for it?
We should call animal rescue.
Why can't it stay with us, Dad?
Because wild animals need an open space.
Real love means helping it go where it belongs.
You will go somewhere free, not back there. Then let's make your last day here super fun. Hey, don't forget about me.
Hello, I'm from Animal
Rescue.
Hi, come on in. We've been expecting you. Hello, miss. Follow us this way. Thank you for helping. Of course, right through here.
Hey guys, she is an animal rescuer.
Animal nurse? Don't be afraid, buddy. She will take you to friends like you. Take my ball, and don't forget us. You don't need this old collar anymore.
Thank you. I'll make sure he gets back to where he belongs.
You're welcome. Safe driving.
Thank you. You too.
Maybe I'll miss the little seal so much. Be happy, because he'll live a good life among his own kind.
Yes, you know, sometimes love means not keeping everything for ourselves.